The number 4 on the list is
the StarTech.com 10 feet 3M HDMI cable is a versatile and high-quality audio-visual accessory designed to enhance your home entertainment and professional multimedia setups. Measuring 10 feet 3 meters in length, this HDMI cable offers substantial reach, making it perfect for connecting various devices, such as Ultra HD monitors, projectors, televisions, and displays, to your source equipment. This cable is finished in a sleek black color, which not only complements most home theater systems but also provides a professional and discreet appearance in a business or educational environment. This HDMI cable supports 4K high-speed HDMI with Ethernet, ensuring an excellent video experience. With a maximum resolution of UHD 4K at 30 Hz. It delivers vivid and sharp visuals, making it ideal for watching your favorite 4K content, gaming, or giving presentations. The HDMI 1.4 specification ensures that it is compatible with a wide range of HDMI-enabled devices, making it a versatile choice for connecting laptops, gaming consoles, Blu-ray players, and more. Featuring male-to-male connectors, this cable simplifies the setup process, eliminating the need for additional adapters or converters. The secure connections ensure that you won't experience signal loss or interruption during your viewing or gaming sessions. Whether you're streaming high-definition content, conducting business presentations, or gaming with friends, this cable provides a reliable and stable connection. The StarTech.com HDMI cable is not only designed for high-definition video but also includes Ethernet capabilities, allowing for network connections between HDMI devices. This feature is particularly useful for smart TVs, streaming devices, and gaming consoles, enabling them to share internet access and perform interactive functions without requiring separate network cables. In summary, the StarTech.com 10 feet HDMI cable is a versatile and high-speed connectivity solution for anyone looking to enhance their home theater or professional AV setup. With support for 4K UHD video at 30 Hz and HDMI 1.4 compatibility, it is suitable for various devices and applications. Its sleek black design ensures a discreet and professional appearance, while the Ethernet feature adds extra functionality for connected devices. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or presenting, this HDMI cable delivers exceptional performance and connectivity.
the number 3 on the list is
the Amazon Basics high-speed HDMI cable is a versatile and reliable connectivity solution designed for use with televisions and various other devices. With a standard male-to-male configuration, this cable offers seamless compatibility with a wide range of HDMI-enabled devices, making it a versatile addition to your home entertainment setup. This HDMI cable boasts a high data transfer rate of 18 gigabits per second, ensuring that you can enjoy your content in stunning 4K resolution at 60 Hz. It's designed to deliver sharp and vibrant images, making it an excellent choice for watching high-definition content on your TV or for gaming enthusiasts seeking a smooth and immersive experience. Measuring 6 feet in length, this cable provides ample flexibility for positioning your devices, even when they're not right next to each other. Whether you're connecting a Blu-ray player, gaming console, soundbar, or other media devices to your TV, this cable offers the length and durability needed to meet your connectivity needs. The Amazon Basics HDMI cable features a sleek black design, blending seamlessly with most home entertainment setups. Its durable construction ensures that it can withstand daily use, maintaining a stable connection between your devices. Plus, with the Amazon Basics brand, you can trust in the quality and reliability of this cable. In summary, the Amazon Basics high-speed HDMI cable is a 6-foot black cable that supports high-speed data transfer at 18 gigabits per second, delivering impressive 4K resolution at 60 Hz. It's a male-to-a-male configuration, and compatibility with a wide range of devices make it a versatile choice for your home entertainment needs. This cable is designed for both durability and performance, making it an essential accessory for connecting various media devices to your television.
The number 2 on the list is
the Belkin Ultra HD HDMI 2.1 cable is a high-quality audio-visual accessory designed to enhance your home entertainment experience. Measuring 6.6 feet, 2 meters in length, this HDMI cable is equipped to connect your devices over a generous distance, offering flexibility in setting up your home entertainment system. Its primary function is to transmit high-definition audio and video signals between compatible devices, making it ideal for connecting various components of your entertainment system. This HDMI cable supports the latest HDMI 2.1 specification, which ensures a remarkable 48 gigabits per second data transfer rate. This high bandwidth capacity is crucial for delivering pristine 4K ultra-high-definition video quality with vibrant colors, sharp details, and incredible clarity. Additionally, it offers support for advanced technologies such as Dolby Vision HDR, enhancing the dynamic range and color depth of your content for a more immersive viewing experience. The cable's capabilities extend even further, making it suitable for future-proofing your entertainment setup. It is optimized for 8K video streaming at 60 Hz, providing a seamless and lag-free experience when watching high-resolution content. Moreover, it is also capable of handling 10K streaming, ensuring that you can enjoy the highest quality content as technology continues to advance. This Belkin HDMI 2.1 cable is versatile and compatible with a wide range of gaming consoles, including PlayStation, PS4, PS5, and Xbox Series X, as well as other HDMI-enabled devices, offering a convenient solution for gamers and home theater enthusiasts. Its durable construction and reliable connectors ensure a stable and high-quality connection for an extended period, making it an excellent choice for anyone seeking the best in audio-visual connectivity.
the number 1 on the list is
the Amazon Basics HDMI cable is a high-quality audio-visual cable designed to enhance your home entertainment experience. With a generous length of 6 feet, this cable allows for flexible connectivity between your devices, making it ideal for various setups. It is primarily designed for use with HDMI-compatible devices such as 4K and 8K televisions, gaming consoles, Blu-ray players, and more. One of the standout features of this cable is its impressive data transfer speed of 48 gigabits per second. This high-speed capability ensures that you can enjoy ultra-high-definition content seamlessly, whether you're watching 8K video at 60 Hz or 4K content at 120 Hz. This cable can handle it, delivering clear and crisp visuals with minimal lag or distortion. To further enhance the cable's durability and performance, it comes equipped with gold-plated plugs. These gold-plated connectors not only provide a secure and reliable connection but also help in minimizing signal interference, resulting in superior audio and video quality. Additionally, this HDMI cable is Ethernet ready, allowing you to establish an internet connection between compatible devices through a single cable. This feature can simplify your home theater setup, reducing cable clutter and making your entertainment center more organized. The cable's sleek black design is not only aesthetically pleasing but also practical, as it blends well with most home entertainment systems. In summary, the Amazon Basics HDMI cable is a versatile and high-performance cable that provides excellent value for your home theater needs, ensuring a top-notch audio-visual experience with impressive data transfer speeds, gold-plated connectors, and Ethernet compatibility.